I bet. I don't know how you do it, girl. Alright, y'all. So I finished my wax and now I'm currently waiting to get my brows done. I'm on a 20-minute wait. So I'm next door at City Trends and y'all, I'm finding some good stuff. Look at this bag. It's a cute little purple top handle bag. That would look so pretty on my perfume rack, on my purse rack. It's a nice deep purple too. I really like this and it's only $12. And then look at these heels, y'all. I have something similar from Steve Madden and they were a lot of money. These are only not $10 and they don't have a strap. My white ones have a strap. I have a white and black, but I don't have a nude. And I've been needing some new heels, so I'm looking for a size 9. It's 9.5, 8.5. Hopefully I find it. 10, 8. I like these. I want to see how they look on. 8.5, 11. Oh my gosh, no 9s. Oh, 9. All right, let's try these. It, honey. Cute. They're cute. I wish they had another color. I have some like these from Steve Madden. They were $100. These are $10. Okay. Don't sleep on affordability, honey. They fit so nicely too. I wish they had them in like a red. This is a nice red though. It's a true red, but that heel, giving granny. I like these gold ones here, but I just, the chain right here seems a little, let me try it on. It's like this is too short. Okay, there we go. I like them. They're different, but they're cute. I wish they were black, but so they can match my purse. This would be cute with like an all white dress. I think it's cute. No, I actually like it. I just wish it was like a tad bit looser around the ankle. But if ever like it broke or anything, I'm just gonna cut that part off. Let me keep shopping and I'll see you on the next clip. So the brows are waxed. I opted out of doing, I usually do, you know, wax and tint. But this time we only got a wax because sometimes the tint isn't really worth it because I'm a girl who likes to wash her face. As y'all can see, my skin is always pretty much clear. I usually never break out. And if I don't really wash my face properly every night, I'm gonna be getting bumps and stuff. And that includes my eyes, because if I have a tint on my eyes, you can't wash your brows. So that means I don't wash my eyes the right way. Welcome back. Blow drying my hair a little bit. I'm gonna lightly straighten it so that I can trim it. This detangler brush really works wonders. Minimal hair shedding, which is very rare for me because sometimes I'll be losing a lot of hair. This definitely does work on kinky, curly, black hair really well. Very minimal. I know this is even better to use when your hair is wet, but it still works on dry. All right, we're done with that. So today I am going to a event at Sephora, a perfume event for Victor Rolf. It's 3 perfume brands. Let me see. Reach to the other side. Okay, so it is for Victor and Rolf, Prada, and Maison Margiela. Those are the 3 perfume brands that I am going to the event at in Sephora today at 12. So I need to hurry up because it is 10. It's 11. It's 11 o'clock. All right, I gotta do this as quickly as possible. Dusty ends. Don't try this at home, guys. I am not encouraging you. I am just doing what I gotta do for myself. The ends are very much dusty. This 2-piece set from Shein, I'll link it down below. Very casual, lightweight. I don't know what bag I'm carrying. It's 11:35, so I need to go. This is why I like to get my brows tinted for things like this, where I don't really need to put too much makeup on. I should have asked my girl Nasia to come with me. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna go get some Chick-fil-A real quick. It's a little too much showing up here, but just put this on with no But this one has no freaking... When I go fast like this, I'm better off not doing any makeup, but because it's like I'm not even really doing anything precisely, which is not really good. But who knows, I might buy new makeup today because I need a new foundation. I need some more concealer. All right, I'm gonna go. I absolutely hate rushing, but it is what it is. Let me spray some more perfume, even though I'm going to a perfume event. What am I doing? Oh shoot, right in my face. Sport shake because I didn't. All right, so I had to make my twisties because my hair won't stay down. It's way too humid outside. There's a whole store called Oil and Vinegar. How crazy is that? Hello. You guys are having the perfume event today?
Perfume event?
Yeah. I have a reservation at 12. It's supposed to be like 3 different events.
We have perfume brands in the store today?
I got like 3 different ones.
Do we have perfume brands in the store today?
Alright, so one of the workers had no idea what I was talking about. But let's see.
I don't need a bag.
Ooh. This smells amazing.
So
yeah, let me do that
get
one.
a monogram right there, and I can get you a different hang tag there, like I said, so it matches.
Yeah, yeah.
There, all right.
That sounds good. Thank you. All right, y'all. So we are shopping for DJ's birthday, and I just got his cologne over here from Sephora. And then now we're doing the Coach. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, he's definitely gonna crack. Let me take a picture real quick. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I'm too hyped, too hyped. Yeah, so we're shopping for DJ's birthday right now, and I'm at Coach, and I'm getting his gift engraved with a monogram of his initials. So that's what we're doing right now. Let me go ahead and download the Klarna app because I need extra money off right now. DJ.
DJ?
D.
Oh, DJ.
Oh, this is so cool.
I know, right? The monogram is always nice to throw in there.
Yeah. I'm not gonna get your face, don't worry.
Oh, you're okay. You're all good. All right, so we have options as small or big letters, whatever you prefer.
Whichever fits best on the...
I would recommend the smaller ones on the smaller ones, just
Okay.
because the big ones are they'll be a little tacky.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah, yeah.
Nice little thing that we can offer as well is the gunmetal finish on this. We have a gunmetal color that we could add to it, or if you want a different color, we have gold, silver, red, sparkles, and then a variety of colors over here, all the rainbow.
Onto that?
Yep, whatever color you would like to do, you can add it.
Oh, onto the wording.
Yes, the letter
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Let me do this one here.
Yeah.
This
The
one looks-
gunmetal?
yeah.
Yeah, the gunmetal looks really nice with this. Do you want dots in between? I think my preference is it spaces it out a little bit
Yeah.
too much.
Yeah.
So you want to do it or not?
Mm-hmm.
When's his birthday, might I ask?
And like, what's today?
Is-
Tomorrow's the 1st. His birthday's on the 18th of October.
Oh, very nice. So you're ahead of the game.
Yeah, I gotta be. Otherwise, because my sister's baby shower is at the end of the month.
Oh, you got a lot going on.
So I'm like, obviously he's come first, so. And I'm the one planning the shower, so I'm like, yeah, I gotta get all his birthday stuff out the way.
Absolutely. Absolutely. You got a lot going on your shoulders right now.
Always.
Yeah.
I just threw another baby shower last week for my coworker.
God.
Yeah, I'm the go-to girl.
Hey, look at you though. You're on a mission. That's
Yep.
awesome. They better take care of you.
They do.
Good, good. I was about to say.
That's why my circle is tight and small.
Good. It's always good to have a good, just family.
Yep.
Even if it's not family, it's just, they like have your back.
Yeah,
regardless. You
authentic
consider it
people.
Family.
Yep.
Good. So just make sure it stays down.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not going to rise up when we put the heat press on it.
Nice. Oh, so cool.
All right, if you want to get this, this is the part.
Oh, yeah.
All right, D and J, correct?
Yep.
Gotcha.
Wow.
This is the best part.
Oh, this is so cool. Whoa.
Yeah.
I'm hyped.
Good, you should be. It's a nice touch to add on to your special things.
Aww, I want one.
Oh, there you go, right? You gotta get that shine bag. You took a picture of it. You gotta get your name
Yeah,
down
I
on
know
that
he's
one.
gonna get it because
Good.
our anniversary's coming up.
Good.
I took all the pictures and sent them to him, so
Good.
he knows what's up.
Smart.
Just gonna be straight up with him.
Good.
Oh.
Straight to the point. It makes it so much easier, and
Yeah,
it gets
yeah.
exactly what you want.
Exactly.
I'm gonna go ahead and hook it on the side here, just so he can see it dangle, and then when he wants to, he
Nice.
put it on his back,
Yeah.
right?
That's awesome. Oh, this is so nice. I've got to hide this in my closet.
Oh yeah. There.
Oh, this is so sweet.
All right.
Thank you. You're
No
the best.
problem,
What's
of
your
course.
name?
My name is Daniel.
It. Thank you, Daniel.
It's no problem. You're
Appreciate it. I'll be back.